place that perhaps you've seen in your dreams. For the story that you are about to be told began with the holiday worlds of old. I know you're curious to see what's inside. It's what happens when two holidays collide. Christmas delight. Come witness a ghoulishly glorious sight. It's time for our holiday tale to begin. There's no turning back now. Please, come all the way in. Our holiday tale is a tale that's quite charming. But during this season, it's sometimes alarming. So relax and reflect. Feel free to take pause while we tell you a tale about dear Sandy Claus.
See how Jack and decked the halls be so kind as to step away from the walls and lay our bodies to rest in the dead center of the gallery.
'Twas the nightmare before Christmas, and all through the house, not a creature was peaceful, not even a mouse. The stockings, all hung by the chimney with care, when opened that morning, would cause such a scare. The children, nestled all snug in their beds, would have nightmares of monsters and skeleton heads.
Into the buggy, watch your step.
Don't pull down the bar. Keep a close watch on all children. Girls and boys must succeed. All hands on sleds. Are you ready to resume your visit? We will continue our holiday tour in no time at all. Are you ready to resume your visit? We will continue our holiday tour in no time at all.
the 13th day of Christmas, my ghoul love gave to me 13 rings of power, embracing strength that never ends. 12 signs of the zodiac that rule the future and transcend. 11 candles floating, their scent of mystery in the air. 10 telling tears that
Happy holidays, everyone! What's your name? Oh, don't be shy. It's Christmas! Have you been good this year?
Be sure to bring your Santa Claus sack. I'll be waiting